Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be installing some Dan at Kill All Wipers. We're going to go and show you guys how to install this. Also, if you don't want to waste your time on his channel, you want to remove this piece. Normally you have a 24 from, as you guys can see here. You remove this grommet and this metal piece. Spray. Moved, you have a 10mm amplifier thingy. Yeah, it is. Also, you drilled holes that we're going to try and use. I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and in the next clip, you guys will see what it looks like without it. And you just have to pry it off. It's just the wiper delete, and then here you're going to use your finger here to hold it in place. You got to make sure that you put enough. Also was kind enough to give us a air freshener and we'll chill out for a bit. Never used for this, but it smells really test. We have install of the Kill All Wipers delete. Go ahead and always like, comment, subscribe down below, and let us know.